let's see how long it takes me to change these filters out. We got 4 new ones. If you're interested in these, I'll have them in the link in the description below. So I'll show you how easy it is to change this out and how fast you can do it. Tools we have: socket set, slotted screwdriver. You can use a mallet, or I just use a wrench to tap it. Don't lose your mind if I tap this and you're telling me to use a mallet. Doesn't really matter. I'm not denting it or anything like that. First thing you want to do is you want to turn the pump off. We're going to release the pressure. Bottom plug. We're going to wait till you don't hear anything. We're just going to take this bolt off. We're not going to take this off. Okay, no sound anymore. That. Spray this all off. You want to clean this all up. If this is crushed in, you need a new one. I'll link it down below in the video description. These are wrecked, so we're just going to throw these out, but you're going to put some new ones in. Take off the big O-ring, grease that up. I'll link some grease down in the video description. Make sure this lip is clean. No sand, no grit. Here we're going to put the bottom piece in. This wide piece, it's going to be at the bottom where the water comes in. Okay, put the new filters in. So this part here, if it's loose at all, you're going to have to replace this O-ring, and then we put some grease on it. Make sure it's all the way in. That's it. So it goes in like that. You can put this on, make sure this is spraying not on your equipment, so away from it. Again, we're going to put it somewhere else. We're not going to run into it. That. Use a mallet, or you can just use this. You're not banging the crap out of it. You're just tapping it. It's not going to do anything. So tap all the way around. Now you can put grease on this too. It's just easier when you take it on and off. So these parts here, don't put it in like that. You can put it sideways, just like this. Now you want to tighten this until it's just snug. It doesn't have to be the same width as mine. The older these get, the closer this will touch. So we're snug, we're good there. Drain plug, you can put some grease on this too. There's an O-ring on there. So it's just snug, you don't have to over tighten that. Make sure this is closed, and we're facing out, so we're not going to get sprayed. Okay, so check everything. We got the plug, we got this all tightened up, got this closed. We're going to turn it on. So we're going to let that run for a bit, and then undo this, release all the air out of it. That's it.